Hello, everybody! Welcome back to the Helium Addict. So, if you are a new viewer, welcome to the Helium Addict. I highly recommend to watch my videos and check my presentation video who will show you exactly what we will do in this channel. Now, if you watch the other part, welcome to continue this part. If you don't watch the other part, I highly recommend to watch part 1, part 2, part 3. So always go, guys, to my playlist and you will find specific subject about Glamos, about amplifiers, about Flambooster, about 2 miners 1 location, 2 antennas, 1 miner. Every single thing will be in the playlist. Now I will share with you, as you can see, my beautiful surprise. PS, I'm not bragging, I swear to God. I just so happy. Finally, I get my hand on these amplifiers and these sweet devices. First of all, I wait from Weihnachten, from the Christmas. I'm trying to catch this device. I catch the most expensive one. It was the Flambooster Plus, the old model, but unfortunately he come with his own antenna, so I couldn't test him properly. Now finally I get the booster, but this is the second version, is He, Flambooster He, which means it's made specifically for helium. Let's begin the journey. The first thing that I buy, Flambooster He. Look how he look. He come in beautiful package. He come with fuzzy stuff to not be broken. He come with static electricity. This is what mean made in Germany, guys. Static shielding bag. You pay pricey stuff. They say made in America. This company, she have basically these German engineers with German and with people from England engineer and French engineer, American engineer. I read about this company. They combine their power and they look to partners all over the world, and they are specifically for the airplanes. You can look to the information in their website. So when you buy any product from them, they provide you with extra. This is the menu. Look, HE additional installation guide. They work high class company. It's very pricey, but they give you high quality product. This is what look, you feel like quality. The number of the company, the number of the product, how you use him, how you plug him, to be sure that you will not burn your stuff. They even provide me with this guide. Guys, I'm not sponsored, I buy everything with my money. Here they show you which other product they provide. This is basically for airplanes. Look, made in Germany and stuff like this. The address in Germany, they have address in France and other countries. This is a metal box to show you how to make outdoors installation. Even in the bag, they have every single thing, but very pricey. But at least it's an option. There is people who have enough money to afford this. You not always need to buy from China. Okay, no further ado, I buy two type. You can buy Flambooster He, no bias T, and you can buy the bundle, which mean you will have micro USB cable with the Flambooster He and bias T to power him if you are using like Alamar 400 cable or coaxial cable like 2 meter 5 meters, and you want to power him. Basically you will have to cut this and make him waterproof and power him directly from the RF the coaxial cable. So for example, if you have a Alamar 400 6 meter away, you don't have to run electricity outside your home, because theoretically he will provoke the lightning to hit you. You will have higher chance. This is what I understand, but this is theoretically. And more aesthetic and more practical is to use from their company bias T. He have 0.5 dB loss but have very low noise figure and everything. So don't buy the Chinese. This is expensive, like 70 or 65 euros. But he not reduce your power. He give you less noise, less power, less dB loss, and it's made specific for your booster. So I love to buy a lot of things from the same company. Only if I not find from the same company, I mix. Okay, I continue. Sorry, my energy is down. It's the same day. I'm filming all this video all in the same day. I just changed the place because I have more light, because the video all there they look a little bit yellow. Here I have more white light. Okay, you will ask me, can I install the Flambooster? There is multiple way how to use him. The first way, in why I buy two of them. In this situation, I have one host, one of my hosts, like I said, now I have multiple hosts. He have a like this. He have a POE enclosure from Rack Wireless. So I will show you step by step how to install one miner, one miner with Flambooster and one antenna. I will show you the best POE installation with the minimum dB loss and very high chance to make a good earning with it. Okay, the minimum dB loss is possible and high earning as high possible, but as you know, with Helium the height is the most important by Helium. Okay, this basically he will be inside the outdoor enclosure. And as I forgot to speak, this is 10 dBi, not like the original 17 dBi. As you can see, 10 dBi RX gain. It's made for Helium. What I understand, this will allow you to have less invalid witness and less chance to be saturated, which means if you use 17 dBi, it will be too much strong for your miner. Maybe your miner will not function properly, which I'm not sure about that, but I must to test to know. I will test this. He have 1.2 dB noise figure because he have just 10 dBi. The other one have a little better. The original one 17 dBi. He have a better noise figure because he have a high dB. He compensate. And this they make for US people and they make for European. I don't know what's mean this. They use one big soft filter who have a wide range who can cover between Europe and US, or they send me because I mention it's Europe and I need to European, they give me the Europe section, or they make one with wide range. I don't know, maybe they make him wide range to be easier for them. We will see. Like I say, stay tuned. I will show you POE setup with one miner with this Flambooster 10 dBi, not the 17 dBi, connected directly to the antenna. You will ask me how I give him power. Good question. The question is how to give your Flambooster power. The first option that come, it already give you red and black cable. Red is plus, they write you everything. Red is plus, black is minus. This company is expensive, but they provide you with information. This section is antenna, this section is the FLARM, which means it's your miner. Here you put your antenna, here you put your rack wireless or SenseCap or your Bobcat. So here you will be my miner, rack wireless, and this will be connected antenna. My antenna have like this connector up. As you can see, I must use the adapter. This is RPSMA. I must use SMA male, and this is basically this one. Here you will come directly my antenna. No lightning arrestor, no nothing. And I not use SAW filter, and now I don't use a cavity filter. Okay, maybe in the future I will try them just for you, but for the moment I not want to try them. Just do not forget how to power this. So basically in the POE setup you will have this cable. You will come one Ethernet cable who have a power and internet, and inside this box you will have POE splitter. Basically from this cable you will get power and you will get internet. Give internet to your miner and give power to your miner. You have a first option, you can cut here this cable, you can power your miner and your booster from the same splitter. Okay, This is the easy way. Cut this cable, connect him to this one, and be careful, the red is plus and the black is minus. And highly recommend to have this small device, how to call it, matrix, to know where is the plus and the minus. Normally this bias T and this Flambooster have system to protect him if you make mistake, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, cut this cable, power both of them, the miner and the booster. This is the first installation. The second installation, I will use the 9 dB McGill antenna connected to the Flambooster with a special connector, and here come the Alamar 400 until the outdoor enclosure who's made from plastic. I already mentioned it in other video. And then in the plastic I have a POE setup. I have two options. Option one, this bias T, like I said, he connect to Alamar 400. He need micro USB cable to power him. If you have your hotspot like mine, like wireless, they come with this power supply. This he provide me with 5 volt. What I make, I cut the cable and I remove the USB, micro USB cable, and I replace him with the micro USB cable, and I will connect him directly to the bias T. So this he will send the power and the signal. So here miner, bias T, and this bias T have power, and he will send it to, basically will be the other way. He will send the signal to the antenna throughout the 400, Alamar 400. The other option, if you have a cell phone charger who have a micro USB port, you already, if you buy a bundle, you come with it, this cable. Just plug him in your phone charger. You see, he have micro USB. Sorry, this is USB cable. This is the micro USB cable. This is who need to be plugged to your phone charger. You get the point. There is multiple way how to power him. From your phone charger, from your power supply, from your miner power supply, or my favorite way, I have, in my previous video, I show you that I have, how to call it, POE switch with 5 port. He provide me with internet and power. So this switch, I will not use the internet cable. I will cut here. You can buy directly POE switch with micro USB. If you don't have another one in home, simple, cut him and cut this one and connect him here, and you can power your bias T. A dozen of options how to power. Okay, now you will tell me how you want to make the schematic. Okay, I will make it in the computer and I will show you quickly here with the guide. He's coming. He's very perfect guy. He helped me to explain to you guys. Basically, this is you present your antenna. For the Flambooster, this is my antenna connected directly. If you are, look, they show you even the cavity filter with his number. They prefer this because he worked perfectly with this Flambooster and he worked for the frequency of EU. But even for US, if I believe, he have a wide range. But confirm with the website. Look, the antenna have a code. The Flambooster have a code. Every single product have a code, so you will find it in their website immediately. They are very organized company. Okay, antenna, she's supposed to be connected directly to the to cavity filter. If you want to use a cavity filter instead of lightning arrestor, this is my recommendation. Better than you use a lightning arrestor, use a cavity filter. You will filter and lose just 0.5 dB. But don't buy cheap cavity filters. He can throw your miner away. Cheap with helium doesn't work. This is my personal opinion. Take it or leave it. If you buy it's just one component cheap, you ruined all your setup. Just be careful. Don't buy these cheap amplifiers from AliExpress. Not all of them good. Locally, Sorin, he spoke about one amplifier from China, from AliExpress. But as you can see in his test, he tested him without SAW filter. It was a horrible. He add to the amplifier from his testing, he add a SAW filter, then he get better result. But you must to calculate how much it cost the miner and the amplifier. The amplifier in the video was 96 euros. People start to buy it. He become 135 euros in 4 hours. And you must be prepared to buy a cavity filter. He costs like 15 euros, 72 euros. So you will pay for cavity filter, you will pay for Flam. It's still cheaper than Flambooster. It's another alternative, cheaper alternative. But we are not 100% from the result that he showed, because in his testing, look guys, before I tell something, I'm big huge fan to Sorin videos. I'm even, how to say, private member. I pay to watch. I pay subscription just to support his channel, just to be understanding. I love his video. I not comment in his testing. He's just a little bit absent from Flambooster. They boost our price, the price on us. It's not fair from them what they make, and I agree with him. It's a shitty move from them. They make the price very high. Me, I wait from the Christmas to buy it, and I buy it very expensive because I want to test for you, and the idea, it's cutting me to know what's result to bring me. So he tests the amplifier from China with the SAW filter. He performed better, but you must know this is extra product, extra amplifier, extra SAW filter. You must to calculate. I prefer to buy one expensive. Maximum I will add cavity filter and finish. In my opinion, this is the perfect setup. Okay, antenna, cavity filter. Try to be careful how to connect the cavity filter directly to your booster amplifier. Look, Flambooster, and from the Flambooster, if possible, to make like this. This is the ultimate setup. POE outdoor enclosure from Rack Wireless, Flambooster inside. You don't need bias T. Everything powered here with power splitter. It will be perfect. If you want to use the LMR 400, so make antenna, cavity filter connected directly with the Flambooster, and from there use the LMR 400 until your POE box, or to your plastic box or outdoor enclosure box. And there in the end of the cable of LMR 400, use the bias T and give him power 5 volt like they show here. And from your bias T, he must be connected to your Helium hotspot. I hope you get the point. If you don't want to use a cavity filter like me, I don't use a cavity filter. I will make antenna, Helium Flambooster connected directly to the antenna, and from there I use LMR 400 and bias T. And here you have an option. You can use even splitter and use another miner, or it's not necessary guys to use another miner, only if you not have a host. Okay, I just explain it because this is how you set up. I set up already like this because I not have a host. If someone want to volunteer to host my miners, I will be very happy to bring it, especially if you are not far away from me. I not want to keep 3 miners in one location, to be honest. I will speak this in future videos. I'm very honest with you. I just show you it's an extra option to put your miners in one location until you find. If you are willing to host, if you want, but hopefully you are not far away from me. If you are in Germany and willing to host my miners and you have space on your roof and you have hotspot around you, I will come, I bring my miners, or I buy extra miner and put it to your home if things go, if you have a good location. Okay, I not want to keep multiple miners in one location. I don't know if it's wrong or no. The rules, they are not 100% clear. Okay, I hope guys you get the point. This is another point. You can put antenna, cavity filter, Flambooster, and don't use, like I said, doesn't need to use the bias T. You can power it directly from his plus minus. Not always you must do bias. You have two options. You power him with bias T or power him directly from, give him 5 volt from here. Okay? Like here. Antenna, Flambooster, coaxial cable, your helium. How to give him power? Just need to give him from his cable 5 volt. I hope you get this explanation. Later I will go to the website of them. I will show you where you find this product. If you are a new viewer and you don't know, I will show you in the computer where you register in the waiting list. If you are still, I will test it, and if it will be good, I will show you where exactly to find it and to buy it. But still, guys, it's very expensive. It's very, very expensive. I'm very hopeful that the miner, that the booster that Soren he provide is good, but the booster that Soren he provide, he use with him attenuator to reduce the power, and he use extra soft filter. So you must buy attenuator, you must buy the amplifier, and you must buy soft filter. So the cost will add up very quickly. Just be aware of this. Yeah, in the next video I will talk, we will start to compare, guys. Some of you, they rape my head. Result. Guys, I'm working my ass off here for you. I'm killing myself to provide you with videos. I will test this, but I don't have, how to call, VNA device to be accurate with the data. It's 300 euro, a good one. So at the moment, look my money, 380 euros here, 20 euros for the shipping, the other one 320 or 350, and they pay extra shipping. I ordered 2 times because they put me in the email, you are allowed to order 1 device per order. And I was a good boy and I buy every device and I pay double the shipping. Yeah. Next time you can buy 2 in one time if you want. Yeah, in the future video we will make testing about this, and I will show you how to install Flambooster with one miner in one location to have the best installation. The only thing to make it ever extra the best, put a Flambooster cavity filter. But guys, you must understand, cavity filter, it's an ugly ass cavity filter and it's huge. So it's very tricky how to fit him on top of outdoor enclosure. So be prepared. You will buy extra cables, extra connectors, extra. After you will add a lot of dB loss. Must be very careful. That's why I recommend to not skip my videos, to not skip any information. Yeah, in the future when I have extra stuff, like I say, I have a dream, I hope I achieve it. I will make a big box. I put what extra stuff I have. I send it to one of my viewers. He will test his location. If it work good for him, he send it to the second viewer, third viewer, and everyone. He will use the Glamos and my antennas to set that location. And me, I'm willing, if someone want to work with me, like I said in my previous video, I'm planning to build a cavity filter and I will want to build panel antennas, but I need the right people to help me this because I work, like I said in the video, in laser company. I'm very able to make a lot of things, but I need the proper tools to measure. I don't have some tools to measure, the proper VNA for measuring and the proper knowledge how to use it 100%. So I will make the part and the RF people who will test it. When they approve it, we will start to sell it to people as cheap as possible. Like this, it will be my contribution to the Helium network, teaching people how to make the best installation with the best product in the world. This is UK product, this is USA, this is German product. I buy from all over the world part, splitters from all over the world, just to test them in this channel and to tell you exactly what's work for you, what's not, and save you money. As a small tech you can subscribe, it will be a great, which will allow me to be able to stream, and when I be able to stream, I will be able to help you live. You ask me question, I answer you immediately. You ask me question, answer you immediately, because in my emails, my apology, I'm very saturated with the email. You see me, I answer all of you. And now, like I tell you, I use my sick relief just to make you guys what I promise. I promise you to make videos. I'm making them. Just be patient with me, okay? I love you all. Thank you for the lovely comments. Thank you for your support. Like, subscribe for the next videos. We will see. Amplifiers, we will see what the wave bring. What's next video. I love you all. Happy mining. Bye.